But before we jump into today's episode, if you're a fan of Golf Carting TV, please make sure you share, subscribe, get that bell rung so that it gets you notified every time we have a new episode. We do drop these every Wednesday at noon. We'd love to have you back. We thank you for all those who watch. And please share, give it to somebody that you know and somebody else who loves golf carts. Now, let's jump in. Hey there, and welcome back to Golf Carting TV. My name is Matt, and excited to have you back here today. Today we are looking at an older DS that looks nothing like a DS. It's got giant wheels, giant tires, jacked up 10 inches or something like that on top of those big tires, and you're not going to believe that this is actually an older cart. Let's take a look. This is Sean Gaines again. If you haven't seen his video with the big red cart that he built, this is a second one that he built for his daughter. But if you haven't seen that one, check that one out. I'll link it in the description. And otherwise, let's jump in and take a look at this rebuilt Club Car DS.
This was a older DS that had kind of been shoved in the weeds that we drug out and totally redid. The cart's on 311050s. It's got about 10 inches of lift on it. It's all been custom painted and custom seats.
If you can't tell, it's got a bit of a shimmer to it, which is cool. Yeah.
It's got a Navitas 5K system in it. It was totally torn all the way down to the frame, painted up, even the frame was painted. So this cart has a mostly Alpine system in it. It's about 5,000 watts. It has a twist knob control. And one of the things that this cart has is it's got a remote. But if you try to get the seat open, it won't come open. So inside the seat is two 10-inch subwoofers, an eco battery, and then two 12-volt batteries. And then the seat just shuts and you unlock it and pick it up. Got running boards so you can get in.
And what's this? What am I looking at?
So what you're seeing there is actually the bottom of the speaker box. So the box actually comes through the battery tray to give you the volume of space that you need.
Got it.
It's also got two 10-inch subwoofers in the box in the back.
And do those face down under?
They actually face towards the front.
Okay. You got a Navitas motor on this one as well?
Yep. This is a 5K Navitas motor.
What do you got up top?
So up top, those are Alpine Type R2 component speakers. They are they're powered by about 1,000 watts, and all of that's tucked and hidden in various spots
right
underneath the cart. There,
I can see the lights and all. You got LEDs around.
LEDs in the top and the bottom. It's got a Jake's lift on it, Jake's front brakes, disc brakes.
And that's adjustable a little bit, right? So you can kind of play with it?
Yep, it is. And I do a few things different with the Jakes, with the shocks. I've had people ask me why they're upside down. Well, one of the big reasons that they're upside down is because people complain Jakes ride rough. Not if you flip the shocks upside down.
Interesting.
Sometimes you just got to play with things to make it do what you want it to do.
Figure it out. Yep. And you said, what's the body?
The body is a Spartan body.
Okay.
A double take Spartan body. And everything on this cart is actually hand painted. None of it's powder coated or anything like that. It's actually hand painted.
Very nice. There's even a shimmer in that orange in there.
Yeah, it's got metal flake and everything.
That's cool.
And most of the wires, not all, but most of the wires are hidden on this. They run through the pillars and come out in different places. Just trying to keep it as clean as possible.
Yeah. And you said you built this for your daughter?
Yeah, built this for my daughter.
That's cool.
These are the colors, the colors and the places of the colors are all her choices, her stuff she wanted.
Nice.
And we even pulled all the pedals out, painted the pedals, and just from one end to the other, we redid the whole cart.
Very cool.
Wasn't much on it untouched.
Yeah, very cool. Appreciate the time. Very, very cool.
Thank you, sir.
Very cool indeed. And what I love is the fact that he built that for his daughter. She picked out the colors, she picked out all the details of what you're seeing there. And so just as always love to see the kind of cool relationship there, where somebody's, especially father-daughter, have a little bit of a connection for that myself. So really, really cool. Hope you enjoyed that and want to come back and see another one, because we will be back here again next Wednesday at noon for another episode. Hope to see you then.